if anyone's serious about taking the next step in their career, I would recommend this course.
Hi, my name is Zoe and I am a recruitment advisor at ITonlinelearning, and today I am with Christian, who started recruitment with me. Firstly, Christian, welcome, and I would like you to also introduce yourself and just tell us what you do for a living.
Yeah, thanks Zoe. So my name's Christian and I'm currently a Junior Analyst for Venus Wine and Spirit Merchants, which is actually a new job that I've recently started. Prior to that, I was with DPD UK for 4 years, undertaking many different roles ranging from shift management to administration to planning, and one of the things that really drew me to participating in this course was my desire to really pursue a career within the field of data analysis, which over the years of not just my previous work experience but at university, this was the field that I was really grasped by, and it's one that I wanted to pursue further.
And why did you want to study data analytics with ITonlinelearning?
Yeah, of course. So one of the things that I take pride in on a day-to-day basis is solving problems, in particular with numbers and in particular vast sets of data that senior management can use to help drive decision making, and also to help forecast, for example, cost or certain operational KPIs. And because of this, it meant I wanted to pursue this career further by undertaking a data analytics course, and by doing so, this meant I could gain exposure to many new tools and various types of software to help interpret and to analyze data, and for also, by the way, software that I haven't used previously. I wanted to explore that more, which would help me not just now but in the later stages of my career.
And which memorable feature shaped your journey the most?
I would say there's two main things that stood out for me within this course. One of them was the overall structure of each lesson in terms of how the lessons are broken down, and that there's a test section at the end of each lesson to help you review what you've learned to make sure you're staying on track. And then some lessons actually had interactive activities where you can put what you've learned into practice to help gain a better understanding of how certain bits of software are used or how certain data analytical tools are used. And then the second thing, which was really unique, was just the support that I received from various tutors of mine. In particular, I want to give a shout out to Neville and also Sean, who supported me all the way through the 6 months of undertaking this course, whether it was helping understand a certain whatever it might be, or preparing for an exam. They were really useful, and I'd like to give them a special shout out.
Yeah, they are amazing tutors, if I have to say so myself. And how have we helped you grow professionally and personally?
So one of the things that stood out for me was gaining confidence in myself, in terms of how I describe myself, in terms of interviews for certain jobs, and this was something that was given to me through the interview process. And I'd like to give a special shout out to you, Zoe, for all of your support that you've given me. And on a personal level, I think just feeling more for having pride in myself, like knowing that I've overcome this challenge, I've gone out of my way to undertake this course, I've got an end goal in mind and I've put my mind to it, which whenever I do that, I always make sure I go after it when I set my goal to something. So I guess personal pride is what really was important to me.
Yeah, I think you should be very proud of yourself for throughout this whole journey. You were also a great student to have. So yeah, and would you recommend IT online learning to your friends, family members, or even colleagues?
Yes, I would be definitely be recommending IT online learning, whether it's for data analytics or any other course that you guys offer. I think it's a great opportunity to gain exposure to whatever field you want to pursue a career within, and as I've already alluded to, the structure of the course and the support you get from your tutors, and then once you complete the course, the support you get from your recruitment advisors is unparalleled. And yeah, like I said, I would, if anyone's serious about taking the next step in their career, I would recommend this course.